Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode or night mode in this device. So let's begin with the customization, and we have to open the settings and here scroll and find display and brightness. Then scroll down and here we've got this eye care option, so we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. You can also change the intensity of that feature, so just tap on this option and here we've got the switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, it's actually invisible, and by going to the right warmer, it's almost orangish. You can also custom the schedule. So you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will then apply the mode accordingly. That's why we've got it applied, because we are between 1 p.m. and 7 a.m. Or we can set it from sunset to sunrise, because right now your device will automatically decide when the sun sets and sunrises, or it is location based. And off is the manual option. So this is the whole customization of this option, of this mode. And if you want, you can have much faster access to it. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully here, and let's find the eye care toggle. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.